we have background music like we did at your party. John. What are her babies doing? Mom, why is Pop kicking you? Jolene, get up.
Why is Pop what?
Kicking you.
Kicking you?
We were having sex.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Get up, Jolene!
What? Oh. I just stop thinking about this. I just don't understand why you would be going to look like you're kicking.
She was a baby, you know, and she slept on the floor in our room. And she wanted to know why Pop was kicking me last night.
You guys can talk about that on your own time.
At least she didn't say, Pop, I didn't know you didn't ride bulls. Mommy backed you off.
Yeah, that's enough.
How's your swimming pool, Gavin?
Small.
Pretty awesome, though, isn't it? Phil's got a good one going there. He's got a couple of pools. If we pull those sides up, that whole thing would
do
get
it.
full. I asked you to do that, and you wouldn't do it.
Go do it.
No, you're hateful to me.
If you don't start behaving, Dad's going to kick you again.
Promise?